Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about another internship. This is a virtual internship providing by Infosys Springboard. So now let us discuss about what's this internship and how to apply every single detail about this. This is one of India's most awaited virtual internship program, Infosys Springboard 6.0. This is live now. Want to learn tech skills from the scratch and work on the real world projects, all while studying from home? Now, this is the right way to go. So just yesterday I got this mail from official Infosys Springboard, so you could see everything here. So now I am going to discuss what is this internship about and who can apply for this internship, what are the internship features, all these type of things. And the end of this video I am going to apply practically and show it to you how to apply also. So make sure that you are not going to miss any part of the video and make sure to see until end of the video so you could gain the up to end knowledge about this virtual internship. Now let us dive into our video. Now our first segment is what is this internship. This is Infosys Springboard internship. It's a free 8-week virtual program that helps you to gain hands-on experience in trending technologies, learn by working on real-world projects, receive expert guidance from the industry leaders, and continue your college studies in parallel, and it's fully online. And this internship is not just a course, it's an actual tech project experience designed for serious learners. So now let us go into the next segment of the video. Our next segment is who can apply, means who are eligible for this internship. All these details would be explaining by me. Now who can apply this internship? You are eligible if you completed 12th standard or higher, then you are eligible. You are currently in graduation or post graduation, or you have already completed it, then you are eligible. And important note is working professionals in the past interns cannot apply for this internship. So only two categories are eligible. Those two categories, or you have to be standard up to, above the 12th, means you have to complete your inter or any equal courses like that, and you must complete or you should studying in your post graduation or your graduation, means your BTech or your MTech, MS, anything from that. So Infosys is looking for enthusiastic students really to commit 8 weeks to learn and project contribution. So let's go into the next segment of this video. Our next in the segment of this video is what are the internship features. Here you will get in-depth technical learning in chosen area, project-based learning, not just watching videos, mentorship by industry experts, fully virtual format. You can attend college and do the internship side by side, certification after successful completion. So you could see all the benefits you would get from this internship. So this is not just an online course, it's a live based project learning. So what are you waiting for? Just hit on apply button. I'll provide the link in the description below. So now our next segment of this video is how to apply. So for applying I will show practically, so just I will discuss a basic theory thing in apply, but how to apply in the application form I'll teach it you in practical session, end of this video or upcoming part of this video. So now how to apply, go to Infosys Springboard 6.0 channel page, choose a technology or domain. You could choose a technology regarding artificial intelligence, Angular full stack, or Python tech stack, Java tech stack, or data visualization. You have 5 technologies in the domain, so you could choose your favorite favorite interest from this. So If you want, I will drop the link in the below description. Hit on that apply button, I mean like link, and go directly to the certification page or application page. So now use your Infosys Springboard registered email ID. You have to register in this Infosys Springboard before applying to this internship. This is so easy to apply, and so make sure that you are registered for Infosys Springboard. If not, then after registering, fill the self nomination form before June 2nd. This is very important to fill self nomination form before June 2nd and complete all the required courses in your chosen domain by June 30 using the same email ID. And course completion doesn't guarantee the selection. Means if you selected Python for an instance, you are okay with completing any course from artificial intelligence or Angular full stack also. Means the thing here is you need to complete at least certification, one certification and 2 to 3 courses over this internship portal. Means Infosys Springboard contains so many internships. So let me show all those things. So guys, this is the internship. I mean like Infosys Springboard official website. See here, if virtual internship 6.0, all the new upcoming features would be displayed over here. You could apply for anything in this. Now the current trending in this is the virtual internship 6.0. So here you have so many courses, right? These courses you have to complete. Here see, for example, this is an article. If you complete this article, it's not valid to course. Yeah, this is a course, so you have to complete a course like this. It's okay to complete a course in your chosen path, or it's not chosen path also, it's okay for you. So next you have to complete at least 4 to 5 courses on one certification. Certification is very important. You could see a certification here, it's like course, right? In the same place you could see a certification, so that you could write a certification. So I hope you got a clarity. Now let us dive into again our discussion. Remember one thing, that if you completed all courses and certifications also doesn't guarantee the selection. The selection is sorted in the basis of first come and first serve. Means apply as soon as possible. If you apply first, then the internship is yours. So let us go into the fifth segment, that is important dates. These important dates are very important because these are the deadlines. The nomination deadline is June 2nd of 2025. The course completion deadline is June 30 of 2025. Remember, just there is a single day to complete everything, so don't miss this in a single day. So next, our sixth segment is what you would do after shortlisting. Once if you are selected, you will be assigned to a batch, or no swaps are allowed here. Means if you allocated a single batch, you would be in that single batch only. You can't swap or shift for another batch. And regularly you have to check your email and your spam folder also. In some cases in Infosys Springboard, the emails would go into this spam folder also. You have to check both regularly and you have to follow up to the date. And next, let us discuss our segment 7, certification criteria. To get your internship completion certificate, you must complete the entire project. You should score well in the milestone reviews and attend all the required sessions. Follow the internship guidelines. All these things are very important. Next, coming to our segment 9, why you should apply. This is not just a training. This is a real project under professional guidance. With certificate, you can proudly showcase it on LinkedIn and resume. It's your chance to grow and shine, and it's 100% free. Next, that's it for this video. Thank you. And I will tell you now how to apply and every thing now itself. So make sure to watch till end. So guys, coming back to the mail again, see here they gave a link. I will drop this link in the description below. Here we have, if you got an email, so then click here and visit to apply over here. Then you could swap like this. If you are still not registered into Infosys Springboard, then first please register. Okay, I already told nomination journey and project selection journey. If you uh, got a selection, you can't swap. All the details I told you, all the deadlines I told you, all course completions I told you. Yeah. Now let us click on the apply button. This link also I'll provide to you. So just click on leave, and yeah, you shifted for another tab now. Let's wait. Yeah, you have to take this survey now. Accept and start here. Now nomination for this internship, you have to answer all the required questions. Please enter your name as per the registration. I entered my name, and after that you have to enter your mail account. After that you have to enter this requirement. So yes guys, in this section you have to keep your college name over here, and you have to insert your located, I mean like your city over here, and down you have to enter the state. This is only for Indians, so that make sure that you are an Indian. Of course, you'll be an Indian if you are watching this video. So yeah, you have to fill here. I like my state is Andhra Pradesh. If you are something else state, you have to fill over there like Tamil Nadu or something like Kerala or something else. So next, you have to choose your wished category. I choose artificial intelligence here. You can choose Angular, Python, Java, data visualization, anything you need. And you have to choose your education here, BE or BTech. I am studying as BTech. You have so many options also here. If you are doesn't fall under any category of this, you could choose others here, and you could choose here your response. Okay. Next, you are pursuing third year. I'm third year, so I fill it as third year. So next you have to fill expected graduation year. Means if you're third year, you are graduating in 2027, right? So I kept like this. If you are graduated in 2028, you can put, or 2026, 2025, anything is okay. So next, are you working? This is very important because working professionals are not allowed. So conformly you have to choose no. If is here it's no, then you are okay with this internship. And this here also you have to choose no, because if you are in the previous internships of Infosys Springboard, then you wouldn't able to eligible for this internship, right? So you have to choose no. After this, submit. Yes. So yes, I submitted my form successfully. So let's see what would happen. Yeah, form success submitted successfully. I got the like alert message also. Yeah, now see, thank you for your response for nomination for internship 6.0 has been submitted. So yes guys, congratulations if you are applied for this internship, and drop down your every single doubt below in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer all of your questions. So that's it for this video guys. Hope this video helpful for you. If you feel really helpful, please make sure that you like, share and subscribe to our channel, so like this information more and more will come to your food. So that's it for today. Bye bye, meet you in the video soon.